You can use the design rules for SMD entry and SMD two corner to get a high quality exit of your conductors from pads. When working in pairs, these rules add an additional length of conductors in locations that require an exit. In Altium Designer, we've enhanced the behavior of conductors when using these design rules to help you create more efficient layouts. When a conductor exits from a pad, a segment from the center of the conductor is now added. Additionally, a new algorithm prevents repeated intersections of a conductor with the pad, and also closely monitors the ability to execute your SMD design rules. If there are obstacles, the router will ignore the rules and allow you to create a new exit that meets your routing needs. The expanded behavior of conductors also improves the process of interactive topology editing. Now, you'll be able to choose an optimal interactive sliding behavior to achieve your best layouts.